Hi everyone, today I'm going to guide you through at-home insemination using frozen sperm with the Mosie Baby Kit. Let's dive in. I'm Maureen, co-founder of Mosie Baby and an at-home insemination pioneer. I'm excited to show you how to use the Mosie Kit for this process. This is for educational purposes, by the way. No sperm were harmed in the making of this video, and I personally won't be using this vial, but I hope that it helps you feel more confident about the process of doing home insemination with frozen sperm. So first, you'll receive your cryo tank in the mail with the sperm vial inside. You'll also get some paperwork, including thawing instructions and a return label. When you're ready to do the insemination, you're going to put on gloves to handle the cryo tank, and you're going to cut the zip tie and carefully remove the vial, checking the donor ID against your paperwork. You'll thaw the vial by letting it thaw according to the instructions included with your vial. And this usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. During this time, you'll want to prepare your insemination area. Make sure it's comfortable with blankets, pillows, whatever you need to be cozy when doing the actual insemination. You'll also want some pillows to potentially hoist up your rear end when you're doing the insemination as well. Next, you're going to get your Mosie syringe ready. Open your Mosie Baby Kit, which includes 2 syringes and 2 collection cups, but you'll only need one for each insemination. So quick note, Mosie syringes and cups are ready to use right out of the box. For the actual insemination, you can skip using gloves, but make sure the area is clean and your hands are clean as well. You'll review the Mosie Baby instructions, and it's okay to get familiar with the syringe beforehand. You'll want to be sure to push the plunger to the top when you're ready, so there's no air between the tip and the stopper inside. Once thawed, open the vial and transfer the sperm into the cup. Then grab your syringe and fully submerge the tip of the syringe into the semen solution you're working with. Pull the syringe back to drop the sperm slowly to avoid air bubbles. If you get an air bubble, you are okay. This is common when working with sperm vials, and you're going to be just fine. Once your syringe is full, now it's actually time to inseminate, which is super easy to do. You've got your area pre-prepped. You're going to lay down, follow the instructions in the Mosie Kit, and inseminate. Finally, remember to consult your doctor and check local regulations before ordering. Well, if you have any questions or need support, comment below, reach out to us at Mosie Baby. Great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on home insemination, and fingers crossed for a successful home insemination. We're wishing you the best on your family building journey.